Hannah.
I'm Carmelli. Welcome to Wallach 729.
We have our desks here. We really like our double. We have a lot of space, which has been super nice.
Yes, we have 200 square feet actually, which is a lot bigger than I was expecting to get for sure.
And so we put a lot of our stuff on top of our closets. It's easy to access.
I will open mine up for you guys. Again, more command hooks. We are really a big fan of just utilizing all the space that you absolutely have. I like having little mini bins up here as well, and that way it's a good way to kind of categorize and organize things as you wish.
And over here we have the sort of bedroom aspect of the dorm room. We've each decorated our spots. We found a lot of the decorations we've gotten after we got here, so this rug we ordered a few weeks in. We also wanted to start putting up photos of us and our friends that we've taken since getting here.
I have binders for some of my classes, my infamous Lit Hum books, and just other books as well that I've been reading.
And we also have a lot of storage space under the beds. We have these dressers for clothes, but also I have my suitcases under there, some old boxes.
I have some more clothes here. I have some just general storage things, and then my laundry is right there in the middle. So definitely lofting our beds. I think this is around 33 inches off the ground, so a little bit less than 3 feet. And just keeping a whole bunch of things under there. I also have my suitcase behind the drawer. Finally, I think our favorite part of the room is our little view that we have of New York City. So we get a really nice street view onto Morningside Park, and then we have our little lights and salt lamp and whatnot to keep it cozy and feeling really, really nice in here.
No AC in Wallach, but that's truly only an issue for 2 weeks, and then you're fine.
Yes.
It was a hot first 2 weeks, but we pulled through.
It's a lot less of a problem than I thought it would be, for sure. But overall, I think living in Wallach is a really, really awesome place. It's just been great to be able to form a community of people here. Everyone on our floor is definitely very friendly. We're all kind of in the lounge at different points of the day, saying hello to each other, studying, just talking. People have movie nights in the lounge sometimes, so Wallach is definitely a really, really great place to be. Honestly, could not think of a better freshman dorm that I would want to be in.